Nice News channel. Let's see these news headlines in detail, starting with the school news. Rajmundry School has officially announced that the annual examination will commence from 28th Feb. Students are advised to complete their syllabus revision and follow the exams guideline carefully. Now some CBSE related news. The Central Board of Secondary Education warns students, parents, and schools against sharing or believing rumors about question paper leaks ahead of the class 10th and 12th board exams. It emphasized relying only on official sources to avoid panic and disruption during exams. Multiple schools were refuted after anonymous prompt-street emails during ongoing CBSE examinations, prompting police investigation. No explosives were found. National news. India began hosting the Indian AI Impact Summit 2026 from 16 Feb, bringing together world leaders, tech CEOs, and delegates to shape AI governance, showcase innovation, and strengthen digital collaboration. After protests by Indian Youth Congress over the AI Impact Summit, the BJP staged demonstration outside the Congress headquarters, accusing the party of defaming India's global reputation. Tensions lead to brief detentions. Now, some international news. India's six-time Winter Olympics Shiva is now a key organizer for the Olympic debut of ski mountaineering at the Milan Cortina Games, highlighting growing global interest in winter sports. At the AI Summit in New Delhi, representatives of 86 nations and two global bodies endorsed a collaborative framework on AI development and ethics, marking one of the broader multilateral tech agreements this year. Now, some entertainment news. Global hip hop star Ye announced his inaugural India tour, performing live at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi on 29 March 2026, exciting music fans nationwide. The prestigious BAFTA 2026 ceremony includes Indian actress Alia Bhatt alongside international stars like Cillian Murphy and Kate Hudson as presenters. Now some sport news. 16 universities are competing in the All India Inter-University Men's Volleyball Championship in Jaipur 20 to 25 Feb, showcasing top students' talent and team rivalries from across India. Today, the Women's Olympic Freestyle Halfpipe final at the Milan Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics was delayed due to heavy snowfall. The event will now happen Sunday morning with the top athletes including defending champion Ling Wu competing. Now some Scott and Guide news. Bharat Scout and Guide organized several national level activities at the National Youth Complex in Gatpuri, Haryana from 19th to 23rd Feb 2026, including the National and Bulbul Utsav Golden Arrow Award Rally and a national integration camp with about 500 youth members participating from 15 states. In Feb 2026, Scouts and Guide volunteers from the Southeast Central Railway region took part in a mock drill emergency drill with the National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) at Nairpur station, practicing rescue techniques, first aid, and evacuation scenarios. Now, some education news. The United States India Education USIFT has opened application for Fulbright Nehru Fellowship for doctoral, postdoctoral, and academic research in the US, offering Indian scholars global research opportunities. Jamia Millia Islamia experts and educators called for transforming educational mindsets and updating curricula to include disability and social inclusion, aiming to make learning more equitable and accessible. Now, some other news. Madhya Pradesh has announced the arrival of 8 additional cheetahs from Botswana to boost the population at Kuno National Park, following recent birth and marking key success in India's reintroduction efforts. A multi-stakeholder panel in Delhi met to work on a national Stray dog management strategy, balancing animal welfare with public safety act. The recent high-profile court ruling sparked debate. That's all. Thanking you and stay tuned with ice news channel.